Samsung has silently launched its new affordable phone under M series in Nepal called Galaxy M02s with a stylish design. Talking about the specifications, the Samsung Galaxy M02s supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The triple rear camera includes 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy M02s comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset paired with Adreno 506 CPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on One UI skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy M02s has been priced in Nepal at 15,999 Nepalese rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue and red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M02s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSoulBug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.